Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Harish Amin with the ELO YouTube channel where you can have easy learning online. Without any delay, let's move to our second lecture which is levels of organization. Levels of organization start होते हैं atom से. Atom is the smallest particle that retains its physical and chemical properties. Examples are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium and many more. जब दो या दो से ज्यादा atoms combine होते हैं ये बनाते हैं एक molecule. So we can say molecule is the combination of atoms. For example, hydrogen और oxygen जब एक specific ratio में मिलते हैं ये बनाते हैं water molecule. Molecules दो तरह के होते हैं, micromolecules and macromolecules. Micromolecules are small molecules like water, carbon dioxide and macromolecules are large molecules like protein and carbohydrates. जब macro and micromolecules मिलते हैं ये बनाते हैं third level of organization जो कि है subcellular और cellular level of organization. Organelles are the parts of cell and cell of course is the basic unit of life. Example of cells are red blood cells जो कि खून में पाए जाते हैं and nerve cells जो कि brain में पाए जाते हैं. Fourth level of organization is tissue level. Cells working together on a similar function forms a tissue. For example, cardiac tissues. Cardiac tissues are present in the heart and same is the epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues are skin tissues. Organ makes the next level of organization. Group of tissues working together form an organ. For example, cardiac muscle tissues जो कि बनाते हैं heart. Heart is an organ that pumps the blood to the whole body. Several organs working together form the organ system. Example is digestive system जिसमें liver present होता है, जिसमें stomach, intestine, esophagus and mouth. Next level of organization is individual or the complete organism. Organism or individual is any living creature. It may be a human, it may be a plant, it may be an animal. Group of similar organism living at the same place at the same time makes a population. And different population when living at the same place they form the community. Next level of organization है ecosystem. Ecosystem contains all the living and non-living components of an area. And the last level of organization is biosphere which contains all the ecosystems on the earth. अगर आपको हमारा ये लेक्चर पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए.